Adab, welcome to my presentation. I am Mithun Chaudhary, ID 1716040, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Begum Roke University, Rampur. My presentation topic is electric field. Now we discuss about electrification by friction. Electric charge or electricity can come from batteries and generators. But some materials become charged when they are rubbed. Their charge is sometimes called electrostatic charge or static electricity. It causes spark and crack when you take up a pullover, and if you slide out of a car seat and touch the door, it may even give you a shock. We know two types of charge. Polythene and Perpex can be charged by rubbing them with a dry woolen cloth. When two charged polythene rods are brought close together, they repel. The same thing happens with two charged Perpex rods. However, a charged polythene rod and a charged Perpex rod attract each other. Experiments like this suggest that there are two different and opposite types of electric charge. These are called positive charge and negative charge. The diagram shows that if a positively charged rod is brought near a small piece of aluminum foil, electrons in the foil are pulled toward the rod, which leaves the bottom of the foil with a net positive charge. As a result, the top of the foil is attracted to the rod while the bottom is repelled. However, the attraction is stronger because the attracting charges are closer than the repelling one. Induced charge. Charges that appear on an uncharged object because of a charged object nearby are called induced charge. In the diagram below, a metal sphere is being charged by induction. The sphere ends up with an opposite charge to that on the rod, which never actually touches the sphere. Coulomb's law. The force between 2 point charge is directly proportional to the product of the charge and inversely proportional to the square of the separation. Electric field. A resultant force, charge motion. Many everyday forces are push or pull between bodies in contact. In other cases, force arises between bodies that are separated from one another. Electric, magnetic and gravitational effects involve such action at a distance force, and to deal with them, physicists find the idea of a field of force or simply a field. Fields of these three types have common features as well as important differences. An electric field is a region where an electric charge experiences a force. If a very small positive point charge Q, the test charge, is placed at any point in an electric field and it experiences a force F, then the field strength E at that point is defined by the equation F by Q. Uniform electric field E equal to V by D. Field patterns. An electric field can be represented by electric field line. These are drawn so that the field line at a point gives the direction of E at that point. The direction in which a positive charge would accelerate, and the number of line per unit cross-section area is proportional to E. The field line is imaginary, but the field is represented is real. Thank you for watching my presentation.